Even in this age of AI, there is still people and companies that use fax. For example, hospitals, be it trying to extract or receive any fax prescriptions, or law firms, and so on. So with Telnyx, we can use the fax API endpoint and see how we can extract the information from the document that's being faxed to anywhere in the office. And you can do all of this on Telnyx Inference using the latest open weight frontier models that are hosted on Telnyx Inference. In this example, I'm going to show you how you can take the faxed document, be it PDF or text file or anything, and create or extract the structured data from from this endpoint. So this README is straightforward. It shows you which endpoints you're going to use, the simple flow for this demo, and make sure when you after you clone this after you clone this repo, you could go ahead and update your environment variables. You're going to need to use or bring in your Telnyx API key. Select your model. For this one, I have Minimax AI or Minimax M3 model, which is the latest one from Minimax. All right, let's get into our demo. Here I already have the folder set up, the GitHub repo is already cloned. So I'm going to start my Flask app, and I'm already in a virtual environment. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open another terminal, and then I am going to just quickly check how the health of my app is doing. Okay, status being okay, that's perfect. Now I have a PDF on my machine, so I'm just going to use a simple curl command and post it to this server, have it use the extract PDF endpoint, and then point it where my file is located. It takes a few seconds, and voila, that's it. It shows you what are the details, like the field and the values per field in that document. Now let's go to the repo. I want to show you the Python script that we have for this application. So if we scroll down, this is again the helper function to call the inference from Telnyx. And this is the function I have here to receiving the fax, basically verifying that, you have provided the Telnyx public key, and then also like all the other details about, okay, calling the fax endpoint, it's received all the event types. And then the other helper function is to extract the data from it. Pretty straightforward. I hope you give this a shot and build one of your own. Thank you for watching.